Hello beautifuls, we are here in St. Lucia. I'm about to show you guys the med spa at Sugar Beach Resort. Let's go. I leave tomorrow, you guys. I don't want to go home. I kind of like this up close and personal. Anywho, I just went snorkeling. The snorkeling here is so good. It's simple, easy, and it's right there. The gear is free. I spend my morning reading my book, snorkeling, looking at this beautiful view. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Birthday has been amazing. I leave tomorrow. And yeah, this is my reality. So, okay. I love you guys. Let's create the life that we want. So cute. The kids came to dance and I missed the dancing because they were late, but he's showing them the resort. How cute. I ordered tacos at the beach. Mahi mahi tacos with chips. And of course fries. With a view. Happy birthday to me! You guys know I love to eat. I leave tomorrow, you guys. I don't want to go home. Life is good. And it is called the rainforest for a reason. You're basically in a tree house. So decoration is amazing. You can get some water. Today is lime and cucumber. I'm gonna take this. Hi.
Welcome back.
My massage is at 4, right?
Sure.
Perfect. I remember you said you had a 3 and 4 and I was like, which one was it?
Yeah, it's not.
But then I was like, knowing me, the later one, 4.
There you go.
They have like massage oils that you can buy, coconut scrub, and of course the volcanic skincare from the volcanic mud. Okay, so now we're gonna go outside. Down there is where we go change. But first, we'll go over here. Welcome to the Rainforest Spa. Walk during the daylight hours only. Wear non-slip shoes. But yeah, so all of the little huts, that's basically where you get your massages at. You literally feel, look at that. For the birds. You literally feel like you're in the jungle over here. And the massages feel so good, like the scents. It just smells like luxury, which we love. But yeah, I'm gonna show you where you go change. I look really nice in the nighttime. And as I was talking to the guy up in the front, there's also like a hot tub spa kind of thing, but it's usually reserved for like couples or that kind. Oh, there's a lizard. Or that kind of massage. I didn't know. I thought it was like for everybody getting a massage. But if you want to do that, you know, get yourself a couple. Hi. So this is where you get changed, and they give you this little necklace. We are room 4. Or locker 4, I should say. You go in here and let me just make sure that no one's here. Because sometimes, you know, as girls, we like to change. Okay, so let me show you guys around. This is what it looks when you come in. You get one of these little lockers. And there's like a little place that you can get your makeup remover, all those things. Oh, that's cute. I'm gonna take one of those. Super cute. Hi. This vacation has been so good to me. Like 29. I feel so rejuvenated. I feel like I'm ready to take on the world. I feel like I am that girl. And I haven't been feeling like that girl in a minute. So, love that for me. But yeah, this place, gorgeous. One cool thing. Oh, and this is the bathroom. But one cool thing that this place had that I did the other time that I came was this outside shower. I wonder what the view is from here. Okay, the view is not bad, but the outside shower is way better in the nighttime because no one can see you. Because I feel like in the daytime, people might see your ass. Okay, I'm gonna change into my robe, but let me show you guys what's in the little machines thing. So, but you click this and it turns green and then you can come in. It's pretty simple in here. They're little underwears, first of all. They're so good. They're little underwear, so good. I took like a couple. Shoes. And then you get this like green robe which goes with like their rain forest theme. But this is the look. I'm about to go get my massage. By the way, I love the details because look at this. It's just literally makes you feel like in a treehouse. My battery's about to die. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. I remind you guys, I had to spare battery. Okay. And now we wait here for them to come pick us up. Look at this. This is the waiting station where you wait. You can hear the water from their little waterfall that's being used right now. And then these are all the little huts. So far, I have loved this trip. 29th birthday. G, a great choice. I just needed peace. I needed to refine myself. It was like a rebirth to this G, what I want in my life. I'm ready to go home and not at the same time, but I'm ready to like face whatever I need to face, whether it's in business, whether it's on the YouTube, whether it's on the podcast, my personal life, my finances, all of those things. I'm ready to face them and face them with grace and joy, and I'm just so thankful to be alive. It's been a lot of gratitude, a lot of self-reflecting, and then just a lot of meditation. So I found some really good meditations that I love, so those are going to be a staple for me. But yeah, literally manifesting my life. I am the creator, and I am creating what I want. And that includes my husband, so I'm excited for 29. Next year, we already know where we're going. We're going to Tanzania, you guys. Tanzania and Seychelles. Maybe Kenya. Maybe my husband will be there by that time. But that's next year's birthday. It's already in the works. Manifesting it out loud. Exciting. I think my masseuse is here, so let me show you guys inside of the little huts. Ooh, we're going to a different hut.
You've been to the hut before?
Yes, I was on the other one last time. Cute, cute, cute. This is where we're going. You guys know how I feel about stairs. But this is the room inside. Super cute, simple, treehouse vibes. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go get a massage. Bye. So this is the candle that I chose. So I'm excited. Happy 29th birthday to me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of my YouTube fam. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Mwah. It's giving hair, face, ass, titty, hair, ass, face, ass, titties. Saying goodbye.